Hello traders, welcome back to my channel Forex Shinobi. In this channel, I teach you what to look out for in the market so as to remain consistently profitable. Now, I don't want this video to be long, so I'm going to head straight to my chart. As you can see, this. Alright, I've always advised that before you take a trade, you first do your top-down analysis. Now, I was on my daily time frame and I saw that the market is already at this support zone. All I had to do was to just draw out the zone and wait for a possible reversal. So from the week, I marked out the zone and then I waited for the market to come into the zone, and then I go down to smaller time frame to see if I can see a reversal pattern. Then I went down one step below, that's the H4. Now then if you look at the screen now, you see that the pattern has formed already, the W pattern, yeah. But then it wasn't this way. I was still looking out for patterns. So I had to go down to H1. Then the M30. So what caught my attention was that, you know, that I'm actually looking out for patterns. Now I know that this might be a W pattern for me or a double bottom. But why I like this kind of W pattern is that it formed just the way because there are two ways the W pattern will form, and this is one of my best, or should I say this is the best. This is the one I take. So let me draw the two so that you understand what I mean and what to look out for whenever you want to trade the W pattern. So I have to shrink my screen so as to make room for my drawing. So let me bring out the drawing tool. Alright, now the first W will appear this way. Just don't pay attention to the first leg. We are only interested in the second leg of the W. That's what determines the more valid one. Now the first leg is here, and now we are about to get the second leg, right? And then it just comes this way, like almost straight, and then it goes up. Now I'm not saying that this one doesn't work. Sometimes, like, is the probability is lower than this one on screen now. The probability of this W now that I drew here, the probability of it turning out right is lower. See the second one. See this. We are only interested in the second leg, right? So this is the first leg now. Now we are waiting for the second leg to form. But then if you notice this, do you see how this is forming now? I hope you are seeing this. Pardon my drawing, this is a small screen. So all you have to look out for is that the second leg is coming down in this series of lows and lower lows, right? As if you have a mini trend line here. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Something that if you put across your trend line, you see that it's a trend, a smaller trend. I just hope you are understanding what I'm saying. So in this type of W pattern now, what you are looking out for is this. You are waiting for a breakout of this upper resistance. This upper resistance here, this upper trend line. So you're waiting for the market to break out from this upper trend line, and then you take a trade. And there are two ways to take this trade. So let me use the real chart now to explain, but I hope you understand the two W patterns now. So the more valid one now is the one below. This one below. Now let's go to the chart now. So I have to bring back the chart. Now what do you see here? Now this is the second leg, right? This is the first leg here. Then the market went up, right? Then on coming down, you notice all this. See that the market is coming down in this series of lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. So in order to make that, now look at this. If you put your trend line across, you notice that this is a mini trend inside the W pattern. So what you are waiting for now is for the market to break out of this, break out of the trend line. Then the two ways now to enter is sometimes the market just break out and then continues going up, like this example now. See that the market just continues going up. The other way is that it will break out and then retest. So that was why I put this smaller. I don't know if you are seeing this smaller zone, this smaller shadow here. So I was expecting the market to come down to retest the market here, so as to give me my normal Quasimodo level. Because imagine if this had gone up a little, then taking out this high, then coming down to this place, would have given me a perfect confirmation. Like this now will serve as a third confirmation, but it didn't come, and it's not bad that it didn't come. So the two ways now is for you to wait for the market to break out of the trend line, the top trend line. Either the market continue going up or come down to retest the trend line or the zone. As you can see, the market is still going up. So you can put your stop loss below the right leg, and then your take profit can be anywhere you want to target that is above this middle here. Or you can just trail your stops. So that's it, guys. Nothing much to it. Just go to your chart and backtest these things. Look out for this kind of example. Once you backtest, like let's say in 1 week, you'll be able to understand these things and see them. You don't need to search for these things. Whenever you open your chart, you just look in there and see these things happening, and you take advantage of them. So always remember that the one that turns out, because if you add another confirmation, because sometimes you might see this and you take it and maybe you find out that it didn't work out. Maybe it didn't work out because if you didn't catch the move from the zone, because you have to mark out these zones first. This is a support zone, so you are waiting for the market. Since the market reversed here for the first time, second time, and this is the third time, you are expecting a reversal. Now, as you are expecting a reversal, you are also expecting to see a reversal pattern. So on seeing the W pattern now, I know that it's a reversal. But if you get this kind of reversal, this type that I do here, then you also know that it's an extra confirmation. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.